A small glider moves along a horizontal air track as shown. At each end of the air track, the glider has a perfectly elastic collision with a fixed buffer. The glider moves at a constant speed between collisions. Alright, so glider की buffer के साथ collision perfectly elastic है. And I hope कि आपको perfectly elastic collision की definition याद होगी, but मैं फिर भी revise करवा देता हूँ. So a perfectly elastic collision is a collision in which both momentum and the kinetic energy are conserved. So glider की buffer के साथ collision में kinetic energy constant रहेगी. Means कि speed constant रहेगी. Alright, and next he also says that the glider moves at a constant speed between the collision. So collision के वक्त भी speed constant है और collisions के दरमियान भी speed constant है. Alright, so इसको थोड़ा सा और डिस्कस कर लेते हैं. So हमारे पास दो बफर हैं. Let's call it A and B, and distance between them is also constant. So let's say for example इसकी value है 10 meters और speed भी constant है. So let's say for example हम consider करते हैं कि speed की value है 2 meter per second. So now we can calculate the time interval using the formula S is equal to Vt. S यहाँ distance है, V speed है और T time है. So T is equal to S by V. S is 10 and V is 2. So time is 5 seconds. So it means कि A से B तक जाने में ग्लाइडर को 5 सेकंड लगेंगे, राइट? और इसी तरह B से A तक आने में भी ग्लाइडर को 5 सेकंड्स लगेंगे. So टाइम इंटरवल भी कांस्टेंट है. Alright, so we can say that speed and time interval are constant throughout the motion. And he is asking which graph represents the variation with time t of the velocity v of the glider as it moves between the buffer, right? So according to the statement, दो चीज़ें constant हैं, velocity and time interval. Alright, so option A में देखें, velocity decrease हो रही है. So A is not correct. Again B में फिर से velocity decrease हो रही है. So therefore B is also wrong, right? C में velocity तो constant है, but time interval decrease हो गया, right? यहाँ time interval देखें और यहाँ time interval same नहीं है. Time interval is decreasing. So therefore option B is also incorrect, right? In option D आप देखो कि velocity भी constant है और time intervals भी constant है, right? So therefore option D is correct answer.